The original motivation for the Man in Motion Tour sprung from many decades, really, of life experiences and skills. My objective was to demonstrate the potential of people with disabilities if barriers were removed, and to challenge people around the world to do their part. There's no doubt that we've made tremendous progress. Every time I reach an anniversary of the completion of the Man in Motion Tour, it reminds me, first of all, that big dreams can come true. We see that there are more ramps, curb cuts, accessible options in transportation. Secondly, that although we accomplished a lot during the tour and since then, that we still have a long way to go. What's next is to continue to build a global community connected online, an amazing group of difference makers all working together so we can get there faster. Do we need more public support and help? Of course. It's a huge challenge to be able to continue to make the world accessible and inclusive for people with disabilities. I hope that we build an even greater force over the next 25 years so we can finally get to the dream. People can help by simply being aware of the problems or the barriers that exist in the lives of people with disabilities, or maybe most importantly, just to check their attitude to ensure that it's positive and inclusive so that they can just treat people with disabilities as people. We want to hear from everyone, all the difference makers out there, to come and share their stories with us, their stories of how they've made a difference, what's inspired them, and the solutions that they've created along the way.